Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to disable WordPress comments for either current post or future post, which is a step-by-step guide. So there can be multiple reasons due to which you want to disable comments for your post on your WordPress website. So number one, if you want to stop comments on future posts and future pages, what you can do is that you can come over to the dashboard of WordPress and then go over to settings, and from settings simply head inside this discussion tab. And from this tab you can see this option that says allow people to submit comments on new post. Now if you disable this option, this is going to prevent people from commenting on the post that you're going to publish in the future. So if that's what you're going for, uncheck this checkbox and then scroll down and click on the save changes icon. Number two, if you want to stop comments on published posts and published pages, then come over to the dashboard and click on comments. Now there's an already comment right over here. What you can do is that you can click on this comment, choose bulk action and choose move to trash, and after that simply click on this apply button. Now this is going to remove that comment from your WordPress post. Now in case you want to stop comments on a selected post or on a selected page, then simply head inside post, select the titles of the pages or of the selected post, select bulk option and click on edit, and then click on apply. Now this is going to basically open up this edit menu for your post. Now come over to this comment section, open up the drop down menu and click on do not apply and then click on update. This is going to turn off the commenting for your already published post. I would like to tell you that there is a plugin developed by Cloud Infrastructure Services which is known as the WordPress Cloud Single Sign-On Plugin. Now this plugin provides a lot of different features and benefits such as WordPress single sign-on, security, protecting your website with auto redirect to IDP, attribute mapping, auto redirect to SSO, WordPress role mapping and so much more. So make sure to check out the link in the description box for the plugin listing on the official WordPress website. However, if you're looking for a way to stop commenting on an existing post individually, then head over to the post, click on the name of your post. This is going to bring you to this blog editor. Now under discussion, open up this drop down menu and uncheck this allow comments button and click on this update button to save the settings for this particular post. So this is how you can stop commenting on existing posts individually. Now in case you want even more control over comments, then what you can do is that you can go into settings and then again into discussion. In here you will see this whole section named as other comment setting. Now you can play along with these settings and find the most suitable one for your preference. Anyways, that was all about this tutorial. Now if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below and we will get to you as soon as possible. Also make sure to check out the blog linked in the description box, and if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.